If you'd like to see how you can dramatically change your kitchen from these wood stained cabinets into these lovely, more chic, updated cabinets for under $100, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be painting our kitchen cabinets black. They are like a dark, I guess, oak, or not cherry, but I guess a dark oak stained color that I didn't really care for. Just showing you how they look really quickly. I filmed this video probably back in 2020. Got this project started and didn't really kind of finish till recently. So I started with a very small roller brush. I'm sorry I didn't formally get this started and tell you what type of paint I use. This is some Color Place paint from Walmart. Very cheap quality. I would not advise you to use a cheap paint. I would advise you to use a much better paint, probably from Home Depot, and a bigger roller brush. And of course, remove the handle pull from the cabinet. I eventually did remove that. This is the other cabinet on the other side that was painted with the cabinet pull already removed. These cabinets are missing because originally what I was going to do, I tried to cover the cabinets with contact paper. It did not turn out right at all. It just wouldn't stay on no matter what, and it was horrible looking. So I decided that I'm just going to go ahead and paint. So that's why those are off. And I'm going to show you, I did remove this, but just pay attention to how this handle pull looks. Very outdated, like I guess a bronzy goldish color. Extremely old looking, probably from the 70s when this home was built. This is how you remove the handle pull. You just take the two screws out the back of the cabinet. I used my drill, and then that was very ugly and outdated. You saw me just take that off. Here I'm using a much bigger roller brush like I should have in the beginning. You get a much better coverage area when you use the bigger roller brush. It's starting to look much better already to me. I just thought black would just make a lot of sense for our kitchen, just based on how we have our decor set up. We have a black kitchen table. It just looks a lot better already. I just couldn't wait to do this, you guys. I just had to just make the time, mask everything off, and just get it done. So you want to just take your time and put down drop cloths and things if you can, because it can get kind of messy. The main thing is just taking your time. What I would do differently also, I advise for you all to do, is to go ahead and do those smaller edges with a small brush in between the cabinets, and then do the doors. But it's completely optional, you guys. This is the pantry area. Just adding some paint to this area right here. Just want to get as much coverage as possible on that first coat. Of course, go in with maybe 2 or maybe 3 coats if needed. So that's what I'm doing here, just trying to make sure the paint is laying even. Should have masked that wall off, but I didn't. And then right here is the first coat. It's looking pretty good. And then remember those handle pulls because they're terrible. A while ago, and I just kind of didn't finish the project, but these cabinets have been painted. Okay, so I went to Home Depot. And I purchased a drawer pull. They call these cabinet pulls. It has a nice heaviness to it. It's so pretty, it's so modern. Our other ones were so outdated. I'll have to insert a photo so you can see how they look. I painted them chrome with some Rust-Oleum, but they just still look too outdated, and then they felt a little gooey. Here's a picture of the old handle. Even after I painted it, still look old. This is a 76mm from Home Depot. And I didn't do a proper measurement. So here are the holes. Right here on the cabinet. I don't know if you can see them or not. And look, see how it doesn't line up? This is a 3-inch. I need a 3.5 inch. So I'm gonna take this back to Home Depot. That's why I only bought one of them. This is nice and heavy, okay? While this is nice and heavy, like really good, like heavy, $6.50. And I did the math. It would cost me, and it's not even with tax, it would cost me $156 to purchase, I think 25 or 24 of these. And remind you, that's not with tax, so about 200 bucks. And I think it's worth it if you want to give your kitchen that nice, different, sleek look, or just, you know, if you had something old on there and you just want to make it look better, it's worth it. Let me tell you guys, something told me to look on Amazon. Now I am going to show you the difference. But look, this came today. A whole thing of them. About 25 of these off Amazon, right? It comes with the screws and everything. I didn't even think it was going to come with the screws. $26 for this whole box, and I have about 25 of them. I had to do it. I had to. It just made so much sense. But let me just show you something, because this might matter to you. It doesn't matter to me, but this might matter to you. Here, the one from Home Depot is more silvery chrome. This one has more of a, it's chrome, but I guess it's like a brushed metal look, or alloy, I'm not sure. I do like the Home Depot finish better, but I like the one from Amazon as well. Another thing that you may care about, the one from Home Depot is heavy duty. This one from Amazon, I don't know if you can tell the difference from that. Hollow. Very, very hollow, very, very lightweight. So to take my drill that I purchased from Walmart, it's a Hyper Tough. It's the brand of my drill. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting these cabinet drawer pulls on. That's what I'm gonna do now, you guys. So they do come with a short screw and a longer screw. And it's the short screw. You would use the longer one, I think, if it's like the actual drawer where you put things in that you pull out of. But for the cabinets, depending upon how your kitchen is made, it's the short screw. Okay, so I'm just taking my time and putting in the handle pulls. Invest in a little drill if you haven't already. They do come in handy. It's easy to use. I got it on, and I'm just gonna do all of them. So you're just basically lining up the screws with the handle pull, and I didn't record myself doing the drawers because it gave me such a hard time. FYI, if you are wondering how you measure your handle pulls on your cabinets, because I had got this not right. The sample that I bought from Home Depot was a 3-inch. You measure it just like this, from hole to hole. I thought it was like the whole long part right here, but it's not. From hole to hole, just like that, and this is 4 inches. And then you measure it from hole to hole on your cabinet, if you want it to line up, unless you want to put new holes on your cabinet, I don't know. And the cabinets and the drawers don't always have the same measurements with the handle pulls. So I have to order more of these in 3.5 because my handle pulls on the drawers are not the same size. So that from this angle, I'm just showing you how I installed the handle pull. I did not paint the inside of this cabinet. Through Amazon, the 3-inch drawer pulls arrived. Now I can start to work on the drawers. I did the cabinets yesterday, but now today is the drawers. And I may use a screwdriver for this because it's like a weird angle. So I'm gonna get started with these. And this was a set of 10. And I believe I paid about $11 for them. And they match the 3.5-inch ones that I put on the cabinets, if you remember. Here is the final finished result of the cabinets being painted black from being a wooden color. And I think it looks amazing, you guys. Absolutely amazing. Much better than what I even expected it would look. The kitchen just looks so much younger. It had an older feel. It's cool if you're into that look. It just looks so outdated. And you guys, if this is something you've been thinking about doing, go ahead and do it. Just take your time. You can definitely do this. You'll feel so much better with everything looking more modern. You'll just love it a lot more. So hopefully you guys did get some really cool ideas from this. We started a while ago, got it more complete here. There's some paint that we ran out of paint. And then when we started this back up, we did put another fresh layer of paint on here. But we ran out on that one drawer where I told you the pool was hard to come off. Finally got it off. The original paint was there, so my daughter took some craft paint. So we got to touch up that one spot that you may see. But other than that, it looks so good. This is another view of how the old handle looked. This is with the Rust-Oleum on it. And I just still wasn't feeling it. So I just really like the way this came out. Again, you guys, I want you to use a better quality paint. And make sure you mask everything off really good. I didn't record myself doing the drawers. I had a hard time, so my husband helped me with it, so I didn't even record it. Sorry about that. But again, make sure you measure and know that the drawer pulls and the cabinet pulls are probably two different sizes. But this was under $100. I'd say $85, $90 at the most. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you did get some cute ideas or some cool ideas of what you can do to your kitchen, how you could spruce it up and change it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. MyRoyalRadiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10OFF for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, crtechnicaldefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, VIBES, for my subscribers. I hope after watching this video that you do have some more confidence to go ahead and get started with those DIYs in your kitchen, either painting your cabinets or whatever it is. If you want to paint the walls or whatever, go for it, do it. Check out my other playlists that I have on this channel. You may find some other helpful videos as well. Hello to all of my subscribers. Please make sure that you are that you did hit that notification bell so that you will receive the notifications. So when I upload a new video, you'll know right away. Thanks again for watching this video, you guys. And be sure to follow my Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe if you'd like to. Thanks again. Bye-bye.